Hey guys, in this short tutorial, we will learn how to apply date and time in Excel worksheet. So if you want to learn, just stay tuned. In this example, I want today date in this cell, so I will use today formula. It start with is equal to TOD, this one, press tab, close or bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's giving me the today date, but it will only pick up the date from your computer device. So if your computer device date is wrong, it will pick up the wrong date. So just keep in mind. Press delete, and next method is to get today date is pressing the shortcut key, which is control semicolon, press enter, so it will give me the same date. Next one is time. If I want to pick up the time, so I will press control shift colon sign, press enter, so it's giving me the time which is appearing in my laptop, which is 1820. What if I want date and time in one cell? So what I will do, first I will press Control semicolon, then space, and then Control Shift colon sign, press Enter. Now you can see the date and time in same cell. So this is how you can get the date and time in Excel worksheet. Hit the like button if you like this video.